Easy? No. We, as Danielle's family and friends, are so thankful to both embassies, public prosecutors, lawyers and investigating officers involved in our fight for justice. They have treated her like their daughter and have tirelessly fought for her. We are so thankful that their hard work has paid off and that Bagat has been found guilty of taking Danielle from us. We have lost nearly 8 years of our lives fighting for Danielle, and we are so thankful that we can now start grieving her immeasurable loss. She made the most of her 28 years and lived every day to the fullest. She was so kind and always so happy. She didn't deserve what he put her through. We are so grateful to have been able to be here for the verdict and to see Goa that Danielle loved so much. Thank you.